General Technology Group Dalian Machine Tool Company Limited belongs to the Central Enterprise China General Technology Group, formerly known as DMTG, which was established in 1935. In 1995, the major state-owned machine tool enterprises in Dalian were merged together to be DMTG. Since 2002, it has successively merged three famous machine tool factories, which were Ingersoll Production Systems, Ingersoll CM System from America, and Zimmermann in Germany. Also established 8 joint ventures with the company from America, Germany, Japan, Switzerland, Israel, South Korea, and other countries. In April 2019, China General Technology Group strategically reorganized DMTG and established GTDMTG. DMTG's main products are conventional lathes, flat and slant bed CNC lathes, vertical milling machines, vertical machining center 5-axis, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, gantry machining centers, and automatic lines. Over the 85 years, DMTG has more than 500 different kinds of machine models, and it has made great contributions to equipping China's manufacturing industry and maintaining national economic. We provided more than 500,000 sets machine tools for industry of automotive, aviation, aerospace, railway transportation, shipbuilding, and industrial engineering machinery, and the machines are delivered to more than 100 countries. DMTG has 2,590 employees worldwide, including 500 technical engineers and 150 service engineers. DMTG is ready to serve the world.